Hi, I'm Dar with the Yealink Technology Report, and today we're going to have a look at a Yealink EXP50. Now, this is a sidecar expansion module for the Yealink, let's try this again. Hi, I'm Dar with the Yealink Technology Report, and today we're going to have a look at a Yealink EXP50. Now, this is the expansion module, a button expansion module or sidecar for the Yealink T5 series phones. So that includes the T58, the T56, the T54, T52. And I think I got them all there. It's a great unit. I love buttons because with buttons you can set things up for the users, so it's really easy to access some of the advanced features, whether it is transferring directly to the voicemail of an extension, or intercom to an extension, or log into the queue, log out of the queue. Just so many different things you can do with them. This unit here gives an extra 20 buttons, and then there's 2 pages, so you can have up to 40 different features in your phone. Now, you can add a number of these. Up to 3 EXP50s can be added to a phone, a 5 series phone. So that's in addition to the buttons on the phone, there's an additional 60 buttons with 3 of these modules times 2, because each one of them is page. So a lot of buttons. We're going to jump in and see what's in the box, but before we do, check out our web store, buyphonesonline.ca. And if you have a login, there's significantly lower prices on it. So most of the products on there, MSRP, but if you're looking for deals, definitely get an account, and you will see the special pricing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Yealink Canada. And as we get more of these videos, you'll get a notification that they come out. I do have a T56A here that I want to show you, and then we're going to connect the expansion module onto that phone. So without further ado, let's jump in and see what's inside the box. Alright, here's our quick start guide. This is the actual unit. We're going to come back and have a look at that. Let's unpack everything here first. Alright, so the unit, EXP50, 10 buttons per side for a total of 20, 1, 2, 3 pages. On the back, we've got a 5-volt power supply here. Now, if you cannot power multiple of these with the phone on PoE, it's too much power. So often you do need to use a power supply. If you're finding it's behaving poorly, power supply is the first thing to try. This USB and the other connector, this is how you daisy chain them together, and there's a cable for that. We've got the connector on the side, and this is to connect it to the phone, also to the next unit if you have more than one attached, and then of course the foot stand. So that is one gorgeous item. And then here we have, it comes with 1 screw. We have a screwdriver, and then this is the cable to loop them between the phone to the expansion panel, from an expansion panel to the next one, and of course the foot stand. And then here's the bracket for connecting, physically securing the unit to the next one, and also to the phone. Alright, so please check us out online. You'll find this product buyphonesonline.ca, and create an account to see the special pricing. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Yealink Canada. We've got other great videos coming out even today. Thanks for watching. I'm Dar with the Yealink Technology Report.